Hey friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angie and I enjoy sharing different projects we have going on around our home. This past week was an exhausting week as Hurricane Helene visited our area and did a lot of damage. By God's grace, our home was spared and all we had was a few twigs and leaves to clean up out of the yard. So we are so thankful for God's protection and just taking care of us during this awful storm. Our neighborhood did suffer some damage with lost trees, and some trees were on our neighbors' houses. There was a car lost, but thankfully no lives were lost. And it was a lot of cleanup. The neighborhood came together and just helped each other out and cleaned each other's yards, and it was just a beautiful sight of seeing people come together and help one another in their time of need. We are praying for all of our friends and the people that were affected by Hurricane Helene that have lost loved ones, their homes, their businesses, their communities, and we are just so thankful for God's grace for protecting us during this storm. Today I wanted to share with you some of our recent thrifted finds. We were out of town a couple weeks ago and we went to a few stores and we found some really good treasures that I have not had a chance to share with you yet. So that's what I would like to do today, and just style a few of these items in our home. And this allows me to have that creative outlet that I love so much, and I appreciate y'all being here so that I can share this and just be creative and share it with y'all. I enjoy it so much, and I thank you so much for your comments and for just being here. So without further ado, let's get started sharing the thrifted items and styling them in our home. The first thing is this little blue and white bowl, and usually when I'm out thrifting and I see blue and white, I grab it up because I love this color combination in our home. And what I'm going to do with this is just add it to our entryway. I have a lot of blue out here, and I have this mix of small pumpkins and acorns that I bring out every fall, and I love it in this little petite blue and white bowl. And then I'll add it here by this rusty red vase and these straw flowers, and I just think that it adds the perfect amount of color and texture to this space. Next find was this beautiful wooden box with a top. I love the carved detail, and I'm always on the hunt for wooden decor because it really warms up a space. And while I was looking for this, I saw this wood box. It has painted detail on it and it has the little top. I think these will be perfect in our bedroom makeover on a nightstand, holding our jewelry or spare change. My next find were these beautiful brass duck heads. These were meant to hang on a wall, but I think they would be beautiful hanging on a wooden door holding a wreath from a ribbon, or you could hang them in a bathroom holding towels. You could put them in a bedroom holding your jewelry. There's just so many possibilities for these. I haven't quite figured out where I'm going to hang them yet. I'm looking for the perfect spot, but I was so excited to find these little brass duck heads. My next find, and something that I'm always on the hunt for, are turkeys. I love the copper look of this, and I'll be adding this to my fall decor soon. And this also came with a candle. I love that this is a candle holder, and I love this bright orange candle, and so look out for this because I'll be adding it soon. Think Christmas for this next find, but you could also use this during the fall season. This green pitcher with pine cones caught my eye when I saw it. I love the handle and the detail of it, and I love the green color. This will be perfect in our home with our blues and greens, and I cannot wait to style it up for the season. probably my favorite find of the day was this turkey platter. It has the perfect colors of blue and green with just a touch of peach. I love the off-whites, and I'm just going to style it here in our sunroom for now. I think that this is the perfect spot for it, right on this dresser, and it adds a little bit more color. It brings our colors together in this room, and I just love it here for the fall season. Well, friends, that about wraps up this video. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite item that I thrifted. I think my favorite one is the turkey platter, but I would love to hear which item was your favorite. Thank you again for spending a portion of your day here on our channel with us. We appreciate it so much. And if you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up and also leave us a comment and let us know. It helps out our channel so much. If you were affected by Hurricane Helene, you could also leave us a comment and let us know how to pray for you. Cleanup has begun around here. We have gotten up lots of debris left by the storm. It is currently raining, so we have halted the cleanup process, and hopefully we'll be able to start that back up sometime this week. We have lots of wood for people that are coming to pick this up to burn in their fireplaces. Most of us have gas fireplaces, so we can't use it, but hopefully somebody can use it to keep them warm this winter. In our next video, I'm going to be sharing some outdoor content and just getting our patio all ready for the fall season. I enjoy making this video every year because I enjoy decorating the space. So be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss that video, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.